How to kick someone out of your ESPN Fantasy League. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we'll walk through the process of removing a manager from your ESPN Fantasy League. If you're the league manager and need to make changes, this guide will help you do just that. First, open the ESPN Fantasy app on your device. You should land on your team page once the app loads. Tap on the League tab, which is located on the far right side of the screen. This section is where you'll manage your league settings. At the bottom of the league page, you'll find the League Manager tools. Tap on this option to access various management features. Select managers from the League Manager tools, and here you'll see a list of all the managers in your league. To remove a manager, simply select the name of the person you wish to remove. Note that removing a manager will not delete their team from the league. The team will remain until the end of the season, but the manager will no longer have access. If you want to replace the removed manager or add new ones for a new season, scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap on Invite. Follow the prompts to send out invitations to new managers. And that's it for today's guide on managing your ESPN Fantasy League. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fantasy football tips. Thanks for watching.